inyong lahat. Merry Christmas po. Ayan. Pwede bang sabihan natin yung mga katabi natin, Merry Christmas and Happy Fiesta na rin? Diba? Yes! That's the energy that we're looking for tonight. I know all of us are very much excited to see the one and only, I call him Mr. Christmas, pero ayaw niya actually tawagin siyang Mr. Christmas. Pero maya-maya naman po, makikita na natin sila. Truly, Filipinos are known not only for being cheerful and hospitable, but for celebrating the longest Christmas season in the world. Kasi akalain nyo, pag naririnig na natin na nagsimula na ang Bear Months, ayan, bukod sa nagsisimula na rin ang ating fiesta, nagsisimula na rin tayo mag-prepare for the Christmas season. Tama ba?
Yes.
Tama. Ganun tayo. Napaka-long talaga ng preparation natin. At kaya naman, pagpasok pa lang ng Bear Months, ay Pasko-Pasko na agad ang mood nating lahat. And apart from gifts, religious traditions, and family gatherings, we Filipinos celebrate the Yuletide season with music. And there's no other way to have it right than with the one and only Jose Marichan's iconic songs. Tama ba? Meron ba dito sa inyo pwede makapagsabi sa akin ng isang paborito niyang kanta ni Jose Marichan? Ano? Hindi alam title? Christmas in our hearts. Ayan, o diba na excited si Madam dito. Excited ka na, Madam, na mapakinggan siya? Excited rin ako para sa iyo. It is undeniably true that Jose Marichan and his songs have been reflecting how Filipinos are genuinely family-oriented in a greater sense of generosity, love, and compassion. And tonight, we are much honored to be the first ones to officially start the Christmas celebration here in Naga City. This is, of course, made possible through the efforts of Malt Stage Entertainment Production and MJ Events Management Services. Palakpakan naman po natin ulit sila. Grabe, ang gagaling ng grupong